I'm sitting here with Kristen. How's it going, Kristen?
It's going.
It's going?
Yeah.
What would you like the fans of What the Forks to know about you
I would
and
like
Reelz?
them to know that I fell in love with Twilight because of this event. Because Corinne had me read the books before we came here. I am eternally grateful to TWICON.
Do you have your buttons with you? I want
This is a little embarrassing, and I'm not quite sure what this means. Someone said it
Spunk
means
Ransom is the nickname of Rob Patton. He said he wanted, if I could have a name, I'd be
I love
called
Spunk as what?
Ransom. Hi, Corin. I love Spunk. Rob Pattinson wanted, he said, he was asked if I could have another name or something like that, I would be called Spunk Ransom.
Oh, that's funny. I didn't know what that was.
Hey!
I thought it was short for spider monkey.
I had to Google that myself, so. And here's Candy. Look at the TWICON water. I wonder if it's real good water.
that was peed out by Robert Pattinson.
Ah!
It says premium. Look. Premium water.
You could be a spokesperson for TWICON water.
It would go like this. TWICON water. Premium.
You could call it twatter.
Twatter! You're such a twatter.
I don't think that's clean.
I'm telling her it would have been cooler if she had a keytar.
A keytar? Are you videotaping me?
Yes.
Oh.
You know Matt's keytar?
It's a keytar. Yeah.
They don't believe it. So, like